Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin Cash. We're back again, covering it again, the amazing crypto that's going to cripple me. Yeah, we're going to do a full technical update. I wanted to respond to some comments and just in general do a full update, alright? I'll tell you everything I think about BCH, about Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, I'll just give you my thoughts on what's next. I mean, to be honest, I'm quite neutral on it right now. We have had some bearish confirmation right here by breaking down below this level between $290 and $300. That was a bit of a support level. At first, we broke down below that, especially yesterday. We got quite a lot of bearish momentum. We touched on some great support though with the 28 EMA. And the 236 FIB. So at some point of time, I mean, you'll always get support. Like I also still expect a lot of support from 250 and from 210. That's just part of the game. But yeah, before we get into BCH, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, follow my trades, receive updates on them, but also gain access to an exclusive group full of traders. I think we're 17 men deep or something. Then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now to BCH. So first of all, to respond to some comments, as most of you know, I am short from the BCH. I think my average price is around like 160, 150, so down here. So it's an amazing short trade. Not. But overall, I mean, like I also said, I mean, I'm not too worried about it because BCH, in my eyes, and I could be wrong about that. I fully understand I could be wrong, but in my eyes, BCH is very much manipulated. And at this point of time, it might look like the community is great, but I still think that the manipulation is more prevalent and also more relevant. So right now, what we're seeing is that both the volume is dropping down, it's still manipulated, and Bitcoin Cash in general, in my opinion, is a dying project. I mean, if you take a look at its price, it was relevant in 2017. And these projects like Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic always have a tight community, but community doesn't matter that much in crypto, except for if it's a community with a lot of money and it's paired with hype. And I don't think there's enough hype for Bitcoin Cash. There was some, don't get me wrong, but I don't think it's enough. Now, I could be biased because I'm in a short and I want it to fall. So that could bias me towards saying something like that. Frankly, I still think we could get up to 350 and 400. So perhaps I'm not too biased, but overall, I think it's going to drop down. Like I also said in the last video, my stop loss or my liquidation price is at around 1,000, 1,100 even. So right now, the question is what's first, 1,100 or 150 again, assuming that we are still in a bear market. And my bet is on 150, and I think that's a great bet. But like I said, I could be wrong. Right now, we're just looking at the price. If we're taking a look, like the most important level, I would say, is this level between like 287 and 300. But let's dumb it down a bit to 295, 287. So right now, we are, I would say we're stuck in this level right here. All right, so we got some sort of a support level around 270. And we got that resistance, which I just talked about, around 290. What will happen is that we'll either get a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. That's just what's going to happen. I think it's most likely that now that the volume is dropping and that we actually had some bearish confirmation, I think it's more likely that we will actually drop down to this level right here at 240, find some support from there, then drop down to 210, find some support from there, but ultimately drop down as low as 180, 150, and if you wait long enough, I think we'll even drop down to our previous levels around 130. That's what I think the most likely scenario is, based on what I think of Bitcoin Cash right now on the long term, but also what I see on the short term in terms of manipulation. Now, if we are actually able to hold these levels for 24 hours more and Bitcoin gets bullish momentum, then it's definitely possible that we'll break above this level. I would say we would even need to break above 300. If we do that, we can still easily get up to 350. And when we're at 350 and we can keep those levels, we can also get up to 400. I don't think that would be in one big move, but it's definitely possible. So this is still possible. I don't think it's the most likely scenario. In the end, it depends a lot on what we do at these levels. If we can actually break above 295, 300, then sure, we're going to be bullish. I just don't think that's the most likely scenario. But that's maybe to clarify it a little bit and my whole position on Bitcoin Cash. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.